Hey there, rock stars! Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Deborah, and today I'm going to be making with you a green goddess juice for glowing skin and vibrant energy. So before you do anything else, like and follow this channel so you can catch all of my other videos, and thanks to all of you who have been following and watching. So I just got back from a really amazing vacation. I was really lucky to be a guest on a cruise ship, and while I was there, I got to consume tons of fresh fruits and vegetables that were all laid out in the buffet, really easy, no work on my part. And I got lots of sun and just vitamin D on my skin, vitamin C. So I want to maintain that healthy glow. I want glowing skin. I want to have, vibrant energy, and I want to maintain that healthy feeling from my vacation. So I decided to make a bunch of green juice. So I'm going to share a recipe right now that's very simple. You can make it in a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, I'll link to a video below where you can learn how to make this exact recipe in your blender. So don't worry if you don't have a juicer, you can still make this recipe. Okay, so first and foremost, I just want to address making a juice versus making a smoothie. When we juice fruits and vegetables, we extract all of the liquid and nutrition from the product and we discard the fiber. And that is great for digestive health. It helps to really move and metabolize your digestion. But because we eliminate fiber, it's not always great as a meal replacement. So I think of juice as an addition to a healthy diet, not as a total replacement. If you were doing something like a juice cleanse, which is great to do for like a day or two to flush your system, to restart and reboot your metabolism, awesome, especially if you have support in doing it. But in general, a smoothie, which would contain all of the fiber and keep all of the nutrients in, is a little bit more likely to be used as a meal replacement. Okay, so what are the ingredients I'm going to be using in the Green Goddess juice? I've got a ton of fresh dark leafy greens. This is a blend of spinach and some other little small kale. I'm going to use this, all of this in the juice. I've got one medium-sized cucumber that I already peeled. I've got 3 really large chunks of ginger root. I love a lot of ginger in my fresh juice. Got a half of a lemon. You could use more lemon if you want, but I've got other citrus that I'm going to be adding. I'm going to peel and add 2 oranges. And then I've got an entire little bowl, I'd say it's about a 1.5 cups of fresh strawberries. And then I'm also going to add some extra ingredients to this. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh turmeric powder. This is an anti-inflammatory. And at the very end, I'm going to be adding, this is chlorophyll. So this is a product that I get from Sakara Life. It's called their Detox Water Drops. It's pure chlorophyll. This is like the lifeblood of a plant. I add about a dropper of this to my juice. So I'll add probably 2 droppers because I'm going to try and make enough for 2 16-ounce juices. Okay, step 1, after you've washed your hands, is going to be to prep your produce. Really easy. I've already washed all of my stuff here. I just need to peel my oranges. So I've got my nice sharp knife. Always use a knife sharpener to sharpen your knife. We're just going to peel off the very thick edge of the orange. So we'll do 1 red apple. Okay, so everything is prepped. So the next step is going to be to juice this. So the order I want you to put things through your juicer in, if you're using a juicer, we're going to start with the dark leafy greens, a lot of them, like maybe a cup or 2. And then we're going to push through the dark leafy greens with a piece of apple, a piece of cucumber, something that's going to be a little bit more viscous and liquid so that you get that all of those great phytonutrients and dark green energy from the greens. We're going to push that through the juicer. Then I'm going to add some of my roots, and again, same thing, something with a little more liquid in it. And then I'll add lemon and oranges and apples and strawberries. And at the end, we'll add in the turmeric powder to mix it in, and then finally the chlorophyll drops. So let's do this. Let's get juicing. Okay, so my juice blend is made and I did pretty good. That's gonna yield about 2 16-ounce juices. Now let's stir in the turmeric. Little bit of turmeric goes a long way. And just as a reminder, turmeric is one of the most highly anti-inflammatory substances on the planet, and it's easy to add to a juice or a smoothie. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add my chlorophyll drops. I'll link to the Sakara Life Detox Water Drops in the description below. So I just have one full dropper. I love these things. I add these directly to water. Any juice, smoothie, I try to use this as often as I can. So I'm just gonna give that a little bit of a stir to make sure that the turmeric and the chlorophyll get well mixed in. It smells amazing, and I'm gonna give it a taste test. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I can really taste the ginger and the strawberries in this blend. So check out the recipe below and follow this basic, simple recipe to get a burst of green phytonutrients, anthocyanins and anti-inflammatories from the strawberries and the turmeric, hydration from the cucumber, so good for your skin, vitamin C from all the citrus. There's just so much goodness in this green goddess juice. I hope you love this recipe. Please let me know if you make it. Share your victories with me. I love getting all the messages from you. Comment below if you have any questions. And as always, my friends, may you be vibrant.